A decent amount of people cared about the unboxing I did. It was the mystery lot of cards or whatever. I don't know how many cards it was. 1,500, somewhere around there. And they're starting to sell. What I'm doing as an update is the Jordans are all going in a lot. And right now they're about $1 a card with like 5 days left. Topps Chrome are all going in a lot. Nobody wants the Topps Chrome. I pulled a few of them out, you'll see in a second. And then all the other cards that were in that box I got are going in a lot, and that's at like $1 plus shipping. Here's the first two singles I sold. The first one is the Kobe set. I got an asterisk here. So I said it was new. I don't know if you can tell, but it's been opened up. The cards never were taken out, but the top is open. So I messaged the guy right after I sold it to him, and as I was going to pack it up, I said, hey, I put it at 16, he offered 10, I accepted the 10. I said, hey, I'll refund you $5 if you still want the cards. They're mint, but it's not sealed. And I sent him a lot of pictures showing that. So my oversight, hope he still wants them. I'm just in sell mode, you know, I'll probably accept any offer. And then here, this card right here, the Harbaugh Refractor, I thought would sell, and it did sell. $8, what it sold for. You know, if somebody were to grade this card, which I don't know why they would, I think it would grade pretty high. It's in a dinged up top loader, but there's no blemishes on the card. No dings or anything, and the back is pretty good too. I put a grid over it, and it appears to be maybe to be a 9.5. If you look at the top of the card, or the left of the card, it's a little bit higher on that side. But everything else, as far as the surface and the corners, all very good shit. The goal is just to keep selling. If he accepts my offer of a refund, I'll be at like $6 or $7 profit on those two cards. This is gonna go first class envelope. It weighs under an ounce, so it'll only cost 64 cents. I'm hoping to get $3 a card in the Jordans, and I'm hoping to get 10 bucks on all the other cards. And at that point, I'll have come pretty close to breaking even. I think I spent a total of $41 on all the cards. And there's, I think, 13 or 16 Jordans. So it was way better than the Pokemon cards I bought. I don't know if you actually saw those. That was on my main channel. But the sports cards were good. I think I know what to look for now going forward on auctions. I'm not going to be buying large, giant sets. Mostly because those have been picked over. But I do like the smaller, like, you know, 60 to 200 card sets where it's someone's collection and they were in a storage unit. Or I think that's like the money play. Also, to make it clear, when I say all the other cards I'm auctioning off, I don't mean all the cards. I mean all the cards I'm not selling individually. There's still 70 cards I'm selling individually that I should get between, I think, like 5 and, I think the highest I have is $70 for any of the cards. And I still haven't listed these few right here. These are the cards that I initially was considering that I might grade. That probably is the only one. This card graded is not worth it. This card rated, there's no upside. This card graded, maybe, only because I think it'd be a 10. Maybe it's worth it. Same with this Jordan here, although I think it's a bit low in terms of centering. This card, and then this one. Maybe I'll send 1, 2, 5 cards into, I would do SGC just because the turnaround's so much faster, and they're selling at like 90% PSA. And in terms of reinvesting money, it makes more sense to get 90% in 2 weeks than it would to wait maybe 4 to 6 months for PSA. That's my thought process. Love to hear your comments, and I'll check in a few days.